Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ontario Cryptids. Today marks episode 175, and every fifth episode I like to cover some clips that you may not have seen before. Today we will take a look at some unusual sound emanating from the sky from all around the world. Also, before we get started, I would just like to add that all my shoutouts have moved to the end of the videos, so stick around. Okay, if you have an encounter story that you would like to share, then please forward your stories to OntarioCryptids@gmail.com. I will be honored to share your story with like-minded people. Now sit back and relax as we begin with today's episode. These first sets of clips you're going to see is from a TikTok user by the name of Irish Hat Guy, who posted 4 videos on TikTok where he captures some unusual sounds emanating from the sky. The first one was on March 19th of 2023, followed by March 20th, June 19th, and then June 20th. One of the things that I find interesting is they were all taken very early in the morning. Now let's take a look.
Guys, listen. It's 3 in the morning. What is going on? Ireland, what is going on? I can't be going crazy, guys. I'm not going crazy. I swear I'm not. I can't be the only one to hear this, like.
What the fuck is that sound?
A user called Existential posted this 2 years ago on Reddit. A woman is at a park with her daughter and her dog when she hears this. Take a listen.
What on earth?
This next one is an interview with several Anchorage neighbors who all heard a mechanical noise one February night in 2020. Let's watch the clip from the Anchorage Daily News.
Steph said that it sounded like a whale, and
I would say it sounded like underwater moaning.
It was a very strange, screeching, metallic, grinding noise, pretty high pitch, about 5:30 in the morning, and woke me up.
That is so creepy.
it was either moaning or howling, like sort of this long ooh sound.
A machine that needed oil, metallic, brakes on a car, but extremely loud.
It's before you got here. Yeah.
Now, I have seen the YouTube videos and Facebook posts about people hearing these noises elsewhere in the world. But again, I've never really attributed it to that at all. I've just like, oh, it's got to be something the airport is doing. Like, it has to be, right? I'm a scientist. There's a rational explanation for this.
I don't think there's any mystical answer. It's machinery or could have even been an aircraft that had real problems with brakes.
Oh gosh. Now that's creepy as huh?
A TikTok user by the name of DivineLove333 posted this unusual sound on March 14th of 2023.
What was that sound? Absolutely insane. I heard it like 3 times. What's crazier is that my sister heard it like 6 miles away.
What the hell is that noise?
This last one was posted on TikTok on August the 8th of 2023 by Setsang. She appears to be with a child, not sure if it's her daughter, but I'm curious what they're talking about, if it's at all related to the sounds that she's hearing. If anyone can translate, please let me know in the comments below.
あ、でも向こう飛行機が来てる。わあ、雲早い。飛行機が来てる。普通に飛行機だ。飛行機が鳴ってんの？いや、飛行機の音じゃないと思う。あ、飛行機飛んでるやっぱ。でも今工事やってない。終わってるもん。夜やし。あ、飛行機の音は聞こえる。うん、飛行機の音聞こえてる。でも風もそんな強くない。
These metallic trumpet sounds have been heard now for years all over the world. There have been other sounds as well, like humming, thumping, and rumbling sounds heard over the past years. What is causing these eerie sounds? No one seems to be able to find the origin of this strange phenomenon. I hope you all enjoyed this episode today. Now we're going to move on to the shoutouts. If you're new to my channel, every 5th episode, I thank those who have commented regularly on my last 5 videos or shorts. So a special shout out goes out to Bender, CWL, Dave Wood, Dean Schutz, Dee Dee, Diana Clark, Dog Toy Reviews, Jean, Hector Barrero, Jeffrey Vigil, George Skinner, Keith Blunt, Mark H., Mark Paul, Mary Carter, Pamela Baker, Raider, Shirley Knott, Sir Roy, Stephen Young, Swin, Terry Doherty, Tom Emoti, and Tom Michael. I would like to thank you all for liking and commenting regularly on my videos and shorts. It is much appreciated. If these stories reminded you of an encounter that you may have had and would like to share, then please forward your stories to OntarioCryptids@gmail.com. I'd be honored to share your story on this channel. Thank you all for listening until the end. I truly appreciate it. Please hit the like button on your way out and smash the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Have a great weekend, and I hope to see you all next week right here on Ontario Cryptids.